We are only 2 days away from Samsung's big Unpacked press conference, during which the company is expected to present not one, but two new products. One is a new Galaxy Watch that will run the Android operating system based on Google's Android instead of Samsung's Tizen operating system, which has powered smartwatches from the company's previous generation. And the second one is obviously the Galaxy Note 9, which will undoubtedly be one of the newest new smartphones to launch in the second half of the year. Of course, as we all learned with the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S9 Plus, power, performance and sleek design do not always add to the large sales numbers. The Samsung S9 and S9 Plus models earlier this year looked almost exactly like the previous generation models, and did not offer any convincing new features. As a result, they are shaping up to be the worst-selling Galaxy S phones since 2012, since people do not want to spend all that cash for a minor and iterative update. Now, the question is whether Samsung's bad year is about to get worse. Almost everything there is to know about the Galaxy Note 9 has already been filtered. In fact, a leak yesterday probably revealed all the little secret details that remained. The Galaxy Note 9 is shaping up to be like the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus in that it will be an iterative update wrapped in a case that looks like the Galaxy Note 8 last year. And if Samsung's leaked launch plans are any indication, the company does not seem to trust the ability of Note 9 to sell.